Tonight's Zero Effort dinner is going to be 5 ingredients only because I respect your busy schedule. Let's go. I knew that was a bad idea. We're gonna start off by whisking some eggs. The most impressive thing is, I'm not kidding, there were no shells in here.
We're gonna add in some steaming broccoli. I just heated this up in the microwave. Easy peasy, let's add it in.
You can shred it up a little bit. Now trust me on this one, add in a little bit of ranch dressing mix.
And if you're a cheese eater, go in with some shredded cheese.
If you're into ham or turkey, you can also add that in before you pour it in the pan. This is what mine is looking like and it smells so good. I flipped and folded mine into an omelet. If you struggle with that, just make it into scrambled eggs. Even though I overcooked this a little bit, the ranch dressing gives this so much flavor. You have to try it. Here's what we're making for tonight's Zero Effort dinner with my giant bun. Let's begin.
We're gonna grab an oven safe dish and spray it and then get a can of biscuits. Flaky Layers is the best. Will it pop? They never pop for me anymore. There you go.
Now we're just gonna cut the biscuits up into bite-sized pieces. Now you're gonna do the same thing and cut up some ham. Next we're adding in some shredded cheddar cheese and green onion. Yes, I'm cutting these up as well. In a bowl I'm gonna mix together 1 egg, a little bit of milk, and some melted butter. Okay, now we're just gonna whisk it together. Pour it over top and mix it in with a big spoon. Now we're ready to bake. All right, when it's golden brown, it's gonna be done. Once again, so easy and so good. I have found one of my favorite Pillsbury.com recipes. They're called ham and cheese crescent pockets. They're so easy, and it's what we're making for tonight's Zero Effort dinner. Let's go.
First, grab a can of Pillsbury crescent rolls and roll the dough onto a pan. Pinch the seams together with your fingers and then use a pizza cutter to make 4 equal sections. Next, fold over a piece of your desired cheese and add ham. My son likes just ham and cheese, but for an upgrade, I like to add eggs, spinach, and green onions. Next, simply fold over the dough and then use a fork to seal around the edges. Then place them in your parchment paper lined air fryer at 325 and cook for about 8 minutes. When they're done, you want to flip them and bake for an additional 3 minutes. I brush them with some melted butter on top and they're so delicious.
I'm obsessed. You can go to Pillsbury.com to find this recipe and also subscribe to Pillsbury emails for more recipe inspiration.